In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell a domain that I bought on DropCatch auctions and list it for sale on Sedo. First, open your DropCatch account to buy a domain. After you purchase it, you'll find it under the Buying Activity section. For this example, we're using the same domain mentioned in the previous video, the one I bought for $13, and this is the domain we're going to list on Sedo. Next, open your Sedo account. Go to your Profile tab, then click Add Domains. Now copy your domain from DropCatch and paste it into the field on Sedo. Check the user agreement, then click Go to Step 2. Here, set the price and the pricing options. I'm going to put $490. Then click Go to Step 3. Now choose your registrar. Since we bought the domain on DropCatch, the registrar is NameBright. Here, keep the option Yes to enable Sedo MLS Premium, which helps increase domain distribution and reach more global buyers. But in our case, Sedo is not partnered with NameBright, so Sedo MLS Premium will not be activated even if we select Yes. After that, click Confirm, then Finish adding the domain. Click Continue. At this point, the domain has been added, but we're not done yet. We still need to verify ownership. Sedo gives you two verification options. Add the Sedo name servers in NameBright or use the Domain Ownership Verification ID. We're going to use the second method, since we already showed the name server method in a previous video. So, copy your personal verification ID, then go to your NameBright account, find your domain, and click on DNS records. Click Add a new DNS record. Choose TXT record, paste the verification ID, and then click Add. In my case, it says the DNS record already exists because I previously verified all my domains at the category level. For you, if it's your first time, it will show as successful. Now, go back to your Sedo account and wait a few minutes for the verification to complete. Click on My Domains. Usually, if the domain is still pending verification, you'll see a short message indicating that it's not verified yet. In our case, the verification was completed successfully. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.